everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute no equipment beginner abs workout. So we have 5 different exercises that we're going to go over twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. There will be no planking and everything will be low impact. What we need today is just a mat, but don't forget your water and your towel. And also if you like the workout video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 맨몸 복근 운동을 볼 건데요. 총 5가지 운동을 2세트씩 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어지며 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 대신 드시물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 오늘은 플랭크가 없는 동작이고 다 층간 소음 없는 동작들입니다. 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 잊지 말아주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Get ready everyone, big arm circles. Reverse it, 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring curls. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other side, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. Okay. First exercise, we are doing reverse crunch for 45 seconds. So, right here, 45 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Exhale up, inhale down. Next one, we're doing a leg raise. So down and up here. Leg raise. Keep going. Okay, next one, knee tap crunch. Knee tap crunch. Here.
you're doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
Heel tap crunch. Move the up to over here. So heel tap crunch.
While you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause
Heel tap
I can
crunch.
see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You
Tiger.
just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
And water break time. Great job, everyone. Get water. Okay, we're gonna start back from reverse crunch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.
You are like me. I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
4.
You don't have to be.
Okay, next one, I believe it's leg raise. Leg raise. Here we go. Whew. one, toe reach. Toe reach. Here we go. Okay. Heel tap crunch. Okay, shake your arms out, legs out. Shoulder roll out. Let's do a quick core stretch. Here. And finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. That was our 10-minute ab workout for beginners. No equipment, low impact, no planking. Hope you enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any great workout ideas, please write in the comments below, share them with us. Thank you so much everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!